Hello guys, welcome back to JavaScript tutorials. In this video we will discuss about switch condition statements and how to implement in real-time system. Let us consider any application like Udemy or Coursera. Let's take Udemy. So when user login, user can see only courses. When admin can login, he can do anything, can add the courses, can delete the courses, and everything he can be added. Where subadmin can, if he logins, if he can access and create or delete the courses. When test preparator or any course doing lecture, when login, he can create and delete the test. Create application with following rules. See, if admin logins, get full access, he can access course fully. Where subadmin can login, get access to create and delete courses. When test preparator can get access to create and delete the test. Where user can see only courses. This can be used developed by switch statements. See, let user may admin. Let us take admin. See, switch is a key value. Here we will keep user as a key. See, and user, then value. What will be value? See, if let us consider admin. If is admin, user equal to admin. If user equal to admin, see, log of what we should print, get full access, and break. What is break means I will explain now after that. Copy. See, admin. Next one, subadmin. If he is subadmin, then test preparator, then user. If he is user, then delete this one. I will explain why we will have a break and default. See, if you admin, get access to full course. When he is subadmin, get access to create or delete the course. Subadmin to then test preparator, get access to create or delete the test. He can access only about test details. Where user can access to see the all courses. He can see all courses. See, then default value. What is default? Means if all these conditions false, then it will be printed. See, if your account is not exist, if any XYZ will be logged, then account not present. Account not present. See, now we will run this one. What? See, get full access code. Here we given the admin. If we change admin to user, if you see, then to see all the courses. If you see, get access subadmin. Then if what the important of break means, to see, I will comment all breaks. What will be show? I count these two breaks. Then what will see? After this, all courses will be printed continuously. If break is not present, all courses will be printed continuously. See, here we kept break, so here this not will be printed. From this, here will be get access to the deleted course, then get access and create the test. This will be printed, and see, this all will be printed. If you comment this break, and this will be also printed default value. So break is important in switch cases. If you not keep any break, then all statements will be run. And what is default means is default value. If all wrong, see, then we will keep AC anything. See, account is not present. If anything is not present in these cases, then default value take care, and this will be printed. Thank you guys. In next video we will see about further videos